Well, it's thundering. I don't know what's going to happen. We're going back to the bay. Low tide's 2 hours here, 1 hour at Nada. So we decided to take our chances on the bay. Well, 15 minutes, not a target. Not even a piece of aluminum. And the thunder is, sounds like it's getting closer. Stand by for better things. Uh-oh. We got a target, 63. Oh, now it's jumping to a 04. But since it's a target of some sort, we haven't dug anything. Let's see what it is. Now it's a strong 62. That could be a nice pull tab. We got it, whatever it is. It is a nice pull tab. Hey, I knew what it was. A nice one too, boy. 87. And we got a Klondike. Penny, dime, 2 pennies and a dime in one scoop. One of those man's behind me. He might have some news. What you got? Anything? I got 2 pennies and a dime, one hole.
Oh, really?
Well, we got a knockout 97. I can't tell you what a 97 is. Half a dollar, big quarter. You got it though. Find out. I don't see anything. It looks like a 90. Oh yeah, it's a quarter. So hot goose. Solid hot goose. Well, I dug 3 more quarters in various locations. I don't know how this Dehus compares to the Excalibur as far as lightning goes. But my old Excaliburs, all the ones I had, when lightning was close, you could pick it up. She would pick it up and tell you. She'd make a noise and you would know it was lightning. I haven't found that to be the case with this baby. Maybe I'm going to learn today. $36. More junk. Got a pretty solid 40. Far as the eye can see. Bigs everywhere. Hundreds of them. Big ones. Little teeny ones. Great old big fat ones. I'll never see anything like it. You can't even see them, they're so thick. I've had 2 people come over and pick till they passed out. I got another lady coming over today. This jar will be full in a minute. The June bugs and the bees are having a feast. By the thousands. Got them. I'm feeding everybody. I know you probably can't see them all, but they're so thick. Well, it looks like Monday's going to be a nice kind of day. Well, I think we're going to go to Nada this afternoon. At low tide, it's 5 something. Guy just texted me, so I dropped some niles off in your box early this morning. There they are. Me and the firecracker, we're bound down the road to pick up a bunch of knives in about 10 minutes. That's the way it goes sometimes. 3 different kinds. Argos, I guess it is. This is Cutlery International. I don't even know what this one is. Well, I just came back from picking up a big box of knives. I don't know how many's in there, but it's heavy. Stand by, let's get them tickets out of there. It's a gathering. Scissors. Knife. Big knives, little knives, it's a gathering of knives, a bunch, a flock. I don't know what you call it, a bunch of knives. Stand by. That's a lot of tickets for one person. Cuisinarts, Calphalon, San Martino, Cutco, Chicago Cutlery, Rollers, KitchenAid. I don't know what they are. It's a good day. Counting the other 3 I got. I just got a knockout text from my buddy in the land of Nala from yesterday. I think it was 10 or 12 grams of platinum. Plain band. I like platinum. I remember when I first started, platinum was high, like 2 or 3 times higher than gold. And then it went all to crap. Still nice, still expensive, but I don't know why. I never have been able to know or figure out why gold went higher than platinum. For a million years, platinum was always high. Like I said, 2 or 3 times higher than gold. All of a sudden, bango. I only found 1 platinum ring, or maybe 2 I think, in 30 years. I like them. Well, I can't say I was expecting any more knives, but a lady just pulled up in the driveway with a big bag full of knives. Premium gourmet. Made in China. That's a bad sign. Dishwasher stains. That's even worse. Look at it. Dishwasher. Let's get them out of there. Well, there they are. 6 Chinese tickets. What can I say? Well, the Mumbles man had honeydews. Low tides in like 2 hours and 15 minutes. I'm putting in a northern. I'm about 7 blocks north of where I normally put in at. I found a good sparking spot, so I took it. I got something new. Bone conductor headphones. They might not be very good down here with all that noise, but we're going to try them. I've got them for my iPhone. I really like them. But that's a different creature. Stand by. Freeman 92. Third scoop. Nothing. He just jumped out. It's right there now. I don't know where it is. Out there. I almost got a dime. I saw it when it hit the sand. No telling where that baby is now, though. Stand by. 83. I thought it was a ring at first, but it's a zipper pull or a kind of thing for a zipper. That part of the zipper is still on it. Black Chiquito. A 61. You got it. Out. Looks like 5 cents to me. Well, we got a dime, a penny, a quarter, and a nickel. And a zipper pull. We're on the tickets today. Well, I'm headed back. So far I haven't had anything going back. Not hit much going down, but I've hit less going this way. I mean, nothing. Nothing is pretty close to less. That's where I want to get, but it's too damn rough. I mean, it's not rough looking, but the waves are terrible. Stand by. I don't want everybody to rush to Virginia Beach at one time, okay? Stay close to where you are unless you need just exercise.